You always remember those days that take your breath away. Wedding day, birth of your children, etc. Well, today was one of those days. Manta Rays?
Manta Rays!
I'm scared of Manta Rays. Oh my god. So far, this is not getting off to a good start.
Stop!
It's a pretty awesome day. So far, she got a little sick though. We saw a Manta Ray. Can't beat that. Bali is known for its amazing snorkeling, and today we get to see if that is true or not. We'll be taking a boat to a nearby island, Nusa Lembongan, where we will search for the elusive Manta Rays and sea kayak through the mangroves.
So we're going to get some permanent tattoos today to celebrate 1,000 subs on YouTube.
Woohoo!
Thought long and hard about this, but we feel that this is something we want to carry with us for the long term. So yes!
Permanent damage.
Well, I wish I could see it.
You can't see it? Looks good.
How's it feeling?
I feel like I might pass out. It hurts so much.
I know. We did it!
Woo! Look at that.
Woo!
1,000 subs. And where are we going? We're going to an island today.
Nusa Lembongan and Nusa Penida.
Yeah, and we're just getting on the boat.
Snorkeling to see manta rays if they're there today.
Manta Rays?
Manta rays!
I'm scared of Manta Rays. They're
Yeah,
big.
totally. I know.
Oh my god. Yikes. You pretty excited to go swim with Manta Rays?
Yeah.
Say hi to your fans.
Hi,
You
fans.
got a lot of girls that like you.
Okay.
He's starting to like girls, so if your daughter wants to date my son, just give us a call. So far, this is not getting off to a good start. Stuffed into a boat, sardines, and those two are arguing.
He's naked.
Look, face the other way. I hurt you. Look the other way.
Caught you on camera. The boat ride over was about 30 minutes and a little bit uncomfortable. Alright, getting on this truck to go to the boat, and the seats are super hot. We've been sitting in the sun, so got a toasty bum right now. Stop.
Stop.
As we got closer to the boat, we were all starting to get a little nervous to swim with the Manta Rays because they're so huge. We're going on a boat tour. A little nervous about this one. We'll see how it goes.
Almost forgot the bottoms to my bathing suit. I wore underwear here, so I would have been on the boat and not been able to go in. If I had, it would just be completely see-through. So I'd be like missing out snorkeling today.
Yeah, it would be skinny dipping snorkeling is what it would be.
No.
First stop is where the Manta Rays frequent. Hopefully we get to see one. We spent about 20 minutes looking for the Manta Rays, and just when all hope was lost, this happened. It's hard to describe the feeling of seeing a Manta Ray come that close to you. It was surreal, to say the least. And just like that, it was gone. Did you guys see a Manta Ray?
Yeah.
Hey! I think we saw a Manta Ray. Now we're off to 2 more snorkeling spots to see some fish in this warm ocean water.
Snorkeling trip trip today and I'm on the boat. Everybody's behind me in the water. I got seasick, so I'm feeling pretty rough. We were going to 3 snorkel spots and I could only go to 1, but I got to see a manta ray, so that's good. But I'm kind of sad because I have to sit on here rather than go in the water with those guys. What were you telling me about the bottom?
Yeah, you can see at the bottom.
You're not going to look at the camera?
Yes.
Yeah, it's good. That's pretty cool. It's a big drop off. Yeah, it was a good day. How you
But
feeling?
where's the towels?
Good. What a great morning. I'm hungry. Time for lunch. Alright, we're on a tour and they're feeding us good food. Look at that. We just got back from swimming with Manta Rays and it's a pretty awesome day. So far she got a little sick though.
And I don't feel seasick anymore. He gave me mint oil. He put it here, here, and here. And I swear to God it helped.
And I didn't even know I had mint oil on me.
Not you.
Next, we're off to sea kayak through some mangroves. Hope there's no crocs. The northeastern side of Nusa Lembongan has a large area of mangroves, some 212 hectares in size, which only non-motorized boats can explore.
Oh, everything's a grumps with this family, even kayaking. Watch out for the crocs! I'm steering, you're not paddling. So Miles doing all the work, I'm just going to kick back and relax. It's just the way dads have to do it. Lazy dads! See? Doing all the work. Oh, good driving! Right into a mangrove. Done our tour and we're heading back to Bali. We're actually not on Bali, I think it's Lembongan we're on, and we saw a manta ray. Can't beat that.
We'll remember this day forever. How many people get to swim with a manta ray? And oh yeah, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more fun videos. Our cab driver's going back because he missed a spot. Packing up. Look at what? You don't like this?
No. I'm so scared. I'm gonna get hit.